Stop chasing every random meme coin and look at where the smart money is actually flowing right now. Canopy is capturing a lot of attention because they are tackling one of the hardest problems in decentralized finance today. They want to create sustainable on-chain yield that does not just evaporate when the market turns sour or the hype dies down. This is not just another fly-by-night operation that will disappear in a week. They have already secured over $1 million in funding from some of the most respected names in the entire industry. When you see big players like Mechanism Capital and GSR on the list, it is clear. There is serious institutional interest behind the scenes. The best part for us is that the team has already confirmed an airdrop for their early users. This is a massive green flag for anyone looking to grow their crypto portfolio without having to risk a single cent of their own hard-earned cash. The project already has nearly 100,000 followers on social media, so the momentum is building fast. To get in on this opportunity, you need to head over to their platform and connect your digital wallet. Most people use a standard browser-based extension for this. Once you are connected, you will need to link your social profiles. This helps the team filter out the bots and ensures that real human contributors are the ones getting the rewards. After you authorize your accounts, you will see a list of tasks that were previously locked. You have to sign in with your network credentials and set up a unique profile with a password and a username. This makes you a verified user on their testnet environment. Once your profile is live, your very first stop should be the faucet. This is where you claim your testnet funds. These tokens have no real-world market value, but they are absolutely essential for interacting with the platform features. With those funds in hand, you can actually experiment with the core technology. You can try creating your own Layer 1 blockchain. The interface lets you select a programming language and walk through the setup process step by step. It makes you feel like a developer without needing to write a single line of actual code. After that, head over to the Launchpad section. You will see various projects listed there that need support. Use your testnet funds to participate in these projects by purchasing a small stake. Just enter an amount, hit continue, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. This activity is exactly what earns you points on the global leaderboard. There is also a daily check-in feature that you cannot afford to ignore if you want to stay ahead. Consistency is the secret to success in these testnet runs. Show up every day and claim your check-in points. This will help you quickly climb the ranks and separate yourself from the casual users. If you have friends who are also hunting for crypto opportunities, use your referral link to bring them into the fold. This gives your ranking a significant boost and helps you earn points faster. It is about understanding the infrastructure of the future. The whole process is designed to be user-friendly and actually quite fun to navigate. You are essentially being compensated in future tokens to help them stress test their technology. It is a low-risk way to get involved in a high-potential project before it hits the mainstream market. Stay active and watch for updates.